Hey guys, my name is Madison Melick, and today I'll be teaching you a mnemonic that I came up with in order to memorize the first 20 elements of the periodic table. If you guys are anything like I was at the beginning of the semester, I knew the element names and the element symbols for each element. However, I just did not know where they belonged on the periodic table, which is why I came up with this mnemonic. But before I tell you the mnemonic, it is important to know each element name and their respected symbol, because this mnemonic only uses their symbol as a basis for each word. So starting off with hydrogen: helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. They are the first 20 elements of the periodic table, and they are the elements that I used in my mnemonic. So in the mnemonic, it starts off with hi. He likes bean burritos with cheese now. One for Nelly, Nancy, Megan, all sitting peacefully since Clark came. And here you can see each word with their which element they represent. So hydrogen, hi; helium, he; lithium, likes. At the bottom, you could see that Clark represents like three symbols: chlorine, argon, and potassium. I did that because I thought it was just easier to memorize like one word rather than three different words for chlorine, argon, and potassium. And I really like this mnemonic because it shows me exactly where each element is placed on the periodic table, because it just goes in chronological order from protons. So hydrogen has 1 proton, helium 2, calcium has 20. And yeah, I hope that this mnemonic will help you with studying and maybe even in your exam. I would suggest to make your own mnemonic, because then you'd have to actually come up with your own words, and I just think that it's easier to memorize if you come up with it yourself and not use someone else's mnemonic. And thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope it was at least a little help.